Okay, we're going to look at adding an animation into our website. So here's your folder, which will have your surname, your initial, your candidate number in there. Inside that folder is where you should be building your website, and inside that you should already have the assets table. That's how your exam should be set up. If it's not, you set it up like this so you know in future. Right, say the criteria is on the home page, you need to add in the animation that is present here. So into Dreamweaver, this is my home page. I'm going to click inside of there, and I'll just zoom out so you can see the whole page. That's where I'm going to place the animation. Okay, so insert media. Now, you have been taught before to use SWF files, but we don't want to do that because we may have to control the animation in a certain way. So I'm going to go for plugin, and I return to that folder. So it's in my YouTube revision. There it is. Into assets, select the animation, click OK. First thing I want to do is check down here that the file extension is correct. It's not turned into an absolute link. It simply says it's in the folder assets in animation, and that's exactly what we want. Okay. If it's got udrive : / and lots of other things in there, you need to shorten it down to the correct file extension, and it should be whatever page the home page is in. Okay, whichever folder the home page is in. If it's in a next folder down, which it is in assets, it should be animation. If I just click on the hotspot link here, you can see the link is simply home page. That's because the home page exists within the same folder. So if I look at any of those hotspot links, the information page is in the same folder as the home page. However, the animation is inside assets, so we need to make sure that it is inside assets, which it is. So that's the absolute link. We can see here the code says embed assets animation. There it is. That's all the information we need. If we now preview in Internet Explorer, save the changes, yes, allow the block content, the animation is working. Because it is a flash animation, it automatically loops. Now we may need to edit that. They may say they only want the animation to play once. So we go back into this, back into the script, highlight the flash so you can see where it is. There it is, embed src, assets animation, width, height, and we just add in the following. We add in loop equals speech marks false. Close those speech marks. And basically what that's saying is don't loop the animation. If we wanted it to loop, we could leave it as it is, or replace false with true, but we don't want the animation to loop. We now preview again in Internet Explorer, save the changes, yes, and this time when I allow the block content, the animation does not loop. It stays exactly as it is. We can use the same technique from when we add in a video, and if you watch, there's another video on YouTube in which you can have a look at that.